Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick look at Canvas for the course. So when you log in to Canvas, you'll see something that looks sort of similar to this in your dashboard. And of course, this is the class, Understanding Ecology and Ecosystems. Your dashboard may look a little bit different since I have an instructor view and you'll have a student view, but just should look very similar. So I'm going to click on the course, and this is the home page. So every time you click on the course, you should land here. And in this home page, you'll see, of course, the banner picture, a picture of my smiling face, as well as a faculty page link. All the blue items, the blue lettering is going to be links to different pages. My contact information, my office. Some other stuff, you can read through this. There's a welcome video to the class that I'd like you to take a look at. And I'll also link this video on this page as well. So this will be where every time you come, you start the class through Canvas, you'll come to this page. Now, the class is really going to be oriented around modules. And so if you'll look on the left side, there are all these buttons that you can see. Announcements is at the very top, so you may want to check here because there may be announcements that come across that you'll need to take a look at. And I think you'll get emails from these as well. But modules, I'll click on this in a minute. There are also files that are associated with the class that you may have to download from time to time. Those will also be listed in the modules. There are various pages also will be listed in modules. Assignments will be in modules. Everything that you see here will be listed in modules. But there may be times that you want to go back and look at some discussion or something. You could just click on discussions or quizzes or assignments or something of that nature. And let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and click on modules. I'm going to open up the page. Your internet may be faster than mine. Internet may be a lot faster than mine. Here we go. And so you can see that there are these different modules. So the first module here, and this is an official module, but it's sort of the class introduction and layout. So if you will go through that quickly and take a look at that. I have a quick video that I talk about your textbook as well, sort of lead you through some of the textbook features. And then further there, Module 1, and you can see that there are these different activities within the module. So if you click on, for example, Module 1, if we click on the first link under Module 1, Introducing Your Instructor, we'll open up and you can read this. I'm not going to read through that, but you can read through this. And then if you just click Next, the next lesson in that module will pop up. And so this was an actual graded assignment. You can read through this as well and be sure to do that assignment. And then if you're done with that module and you want to go to the next module, you just click Next again, and it will take you to the next module. So with that, I'm going to click back on modules to take us to our module homepage, module landing page. And then to end things here, I'm just going to click back on home. And I think the only other thing that you may be interested in is you can click here for grades, and there should be a running tab of your grades. The rest of the things, I don't know if you have all of these or not. I believe you do, but I'm not sure. So anyway, if you have questions about this or if there's anything that's unclear, shoot me an email and I'll try to clarify it. Thanks a lot. See you guys later.